traction, baby. Yeah, nothing but traction. I had nothing but traction on that one. No weird fishtailing or nothing. It's third gear. Top of third gear. Hey! Oh, shit on me. No more rear brake on that puppy. You couldn't tell, but the whole bike was like that going down that hill a second there. Final boss. I thought the other one was big. I'm gonna be honest with you, dude, that is really freaking loose.
Told you. I've had a lot of trouble there. I had to just let go and keep going. I couldn't slow myself down.
Pin it, brother, pin it. See, like you can see, the problem with this time of year, even though I love it, is like, look at this trail. We've never hit this trail before, and you can't even see the trail. And these rocks, some of these rocks are bigger than your tire, the size of your tire. You can't see them because they're piled up. You got it from right there, brother. It's going to be hard for me to get around you, I think. Yeah, I see. I love this time of year, but this is the only thing that I hate about this time of year. You can't see the trails. You got it! Now this is where it's going to be fun, is me getting... Oh. That was fun, getting taken back off from that spot. Gotta get in front of that dust. Dang. In the eyebrow. I would say that that is a tire graveyard. Yeah, man, look at that shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, it looks like it. Go down it, brother, and come back up it. One of them hills. Valley of the Giants, dude.
You think you can send it inside a truck?
One way to find out, man. Have them do it. I'll record it.
No.
Send the truck. Send the truck. Come on.
I'm not going to do it. He's okay. I don't want to send you my Silverado, okay?
Get on it. On it. On it. On it. I thought he wasn't gonna make it. Damn. I thought you weren't gonna make it, brother. Dude. Damn. Holy moly. And then you lost speed again. At least it looked like it from down there. You got decent speed and then just slowly. Damn. I was in third gear. It's so loose, it's like riding down sand. You got it, dude, it's not...
Dude, look behind you. You can't even see it.
Easy, man. This is usually full of water. No water today. Cleared a bunch of this out. Wonder if they cleared that tree out that's been down. Got one right here. It's no big deal. This looks new. That section wasn't always there. Where'd you go, Scott? Where'd you go? See if we can find him.